the threes.
Coming up on 6:53, we've got some widely scattered showers out in the offshore waters here this morning. A lot of lightning out there too, so you folks there along the coast looking to the south, especially here as we've been in the pre-dawn hours, probably had a nice lightning show out there in the offshore waters, but most of the rain has stayed out there. It looks like we have partly cloudy skies, so at least part of the reporting station is starting to come back over at the Lafayette Regional Airport, but we'll throw a guess of 75 to 76 degrees. We'll go 75 and a half for our forecast or our current temperature here in Lafayette. Most of the showers and thunderstorms associated with Tropical Storm Gordon are now starting to approach the Florida Panhandle. Not a lot of action here at home. I think it's going to be a relatively quiet day, especially during the early part of the morning, and then later this afternoon we'll catch those afternoon showers and thunderstorms and maybe even a few squalls working their way westward as we head into the latter part of the day. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Gordon still with winds at 65. This is the new update, so the new coordinates here: 28.1 north, 86.2 west, moving west-northwest at 15. Slowed down a little bit with its forward speed, but still moving on at a pretty good clip. Moving on to the coast of Mississippi as a Category 1 hurricane sometime later this evening and overnight tonight. Then it will pull inland, eventually becoming a tropical depression over southern Arkansas. Most of the heavy downpours are going to stay east of the center of circulation, and in fact, the RPM model throwing down not a lot of rain here in the Acadiana region. It generally stretches from New Orleans to Biloxi to Mobile and then eastward over toward Pensacola. Areas down toward Gulf Shores could pick up a significant amount of rain. While for us, we're going to stay relatively quiet at least through midday, and some scattered storms will start to pop up during the afternoon. And I wouldn't be surprised to see a few outer squalls starting to roll their way westward this evening and perhaps overnight tonight. Center of circulation by the 5 o'clock time period will still be offshore, but by the time we reach the 10 o'clock time period, it looks like the center of this system, whether it's a tropical storm or a hurricane, will be moving on land near Biloxi sometime later this evening or overnight tonight. Locally, we'll go up to 88 for your high under partly sunny skies with a 50% chance for mainly afternoon thunderstorms. Winds will be out of the east at 15. Tomorrow, we'll still keep a rain chance in there, although it may be tightening up and wrapping closer to the center, so that rain chance may have to be dropped a bit by the time we reach tomorrow. We'll hold at 60% for right now with breezy conditions, and then it looks like once Gordon fades away, we'll see a return to normal conditions over the weekend with some afternoon storms and highs around 90.